Hello friends, are you facing Instagram message unsend button not working problem? So here is the fix. So first of all, we will go to Play Store. Let's find Play Store in the phone and then tap on it. Update. You have to find Instagram and check if update is available. If update is available, you have to update the Instagram and then go back. After doing this process, you have to find phone settings option. You have to go there. Tap on it. Find apps. Click on app management. Now find Instagram. You can see force stop option is here. Tap on it. Tap here and then go to storage usage. Tap on it and then we just need to click on clear cache. You can see 762 MB are there, so you have to clear the cache. Tap on it. Now you can see 0 B are showing here. Now go to clear data. Click on it. Now you have to read this message carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Click on delete. So you have to make sure if you want to delete or not. So delete it. And also I would like to confirm you here that after deleting this, you have to, once you open the Instagram, you have to log in or you have to allow all the permissions in Instagram, because settings will be deleted. So you have to again give permission for everything, right? So once I'll do this, you can see the process. Let's go back and restart the phone simply. And after restarting the phone, let's go to Instagram. Tap on it. You can see you have to swipe to easily access reels and messages. You have to give permission. Continue. And then you just go to messages option. You can see here, tap on it. Let's tap on it and then say hi. Now you can see just press on hi. Now you can see unsend button is here. I think your problem is resolved. So once you do all the processes here, your problem will be resolved. So I hope this is clear to you and your problem is resolved. Let's go back and go back. I hope your problem is resolved, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.